Mortgage rates have gone up sharply in recent months. Though the rates are still low in comparison with years past, the rise in rates will have an effect on both buyers and sellers. Let's dig into that a little bit. A rise in interest rates has the biggest effect on home buyers. And there are two different ways to look at this impact. The first way is in monthly payments. Let's use an example. The first example would be a $400,000 home purchased with 20% down. Last fall, when interest rates were 2 3/4, the principal and interest payment of that home buyer would have been $1,631. Right now, interest rates are 3 3/8. Pretty significant rise, about 0.5%. And right now, that same home would be $1,739 in monthly payments. A lot of experts right now are expecting toward the end of 2022 to have the interest rates at 3 3/4%. And at that point, the same home, same amount down for the same buyer, would have a monthly payment of $1,806. That's a pretty significant increase, and it will affect the homes that buyers are going to be looking at. Let's come at this from a different angle. Higher interest rates means lower buying power for the same buyer. Let's just say that buyer was qualified at the top of their range for $400,000 last fall at 2 3/4%. When the interest rate goes up by 0.5% up to 3 3/8, they only qualify for $372,000. And if it goes up again another 0.5%, that qualifies that buyer for only $356,000. So the buyer pool for a $400,000 home shrinks a little bit. That will affect the seller. All right, that sounds kind of scary, right? Let's put another wrinkle in this equation. Housing prices continue to go up. Most real estate economists right now are looking at about a 5% increase in housing prices in 2022. That's less than they were in 2021, but it still means that that $400,000 house at the end of this year is going to be about $420,000. Buying power going down, prices going up. What's it going to do to the market? I'm anticipating that we're going to see a little more balanced market. There's not enough inventory right now for us to start panicking and worrying about the market crashing. It's not going to happen here in 2022. But what may happen is that we'll get a little more balance. We're going to have buyers who are qualified maybe for a little bit less, and sellers who are having to look at fewer multiple offers and pricing their home more realistically than they have in 2021 and previous to that. So I'm looking for more balance in the market in 2022, and that's my take.